Welcome to this unit, Professionalism in TVET. In this session, we are going to look at the importance of professionalism in TVET. In this particular session, we have two learning outcomes. By the end of the session, I expect that you should be able to explain the importance of professionalism in TVET. And number two, I expect that you should be able to analyze the consequences of unprofessionalism in TVET. Let us now go into the importance of professionalism in TVET. Number one, professionalism in TVET contributes to better learning outcomes for trainees. Professionalism is a quality that every educator should possess, and therefore, continuous professional development of TVET trainers provides them with increased knowledge and experience that can allow them to produce useful and personalized sessions for their trainees. Professionalism affects the trainees' learning progress. Through continuous professional development opportunities, trainers discover new training strategies and curricula to better suit their trainees' needs. A professional workplace attitude and appearance will allow the TVET trainer to take pride in their work and provide a form of quality assurance for trainees' learning and improvement of their learning experience. The next importance of professionalism in TVET is that it contributes to molding productive citizens. Trainers play a critical role in helping their trainees achieve success in their training. Professionalism and professional ethics deal with the molding of future citizens, which should be done with utmost care and concern. A professional demeanor shows the trainer takes their responsibilities seriously. Failing to act professionally sets a bad example and may cause one to lose the trust and respect of their trainees. Unprofessional trainers can have adverse negative impact on trainees' standards of learning achievement. Let us move on to another importance of professionalism in TVET, and that has to do with the fact that it is responsive to trainee needs. Professional trainers draw on a body of expertise and research to respond to the needs of their trainees within their training context. Trainers who take a sincere professional interest in their trainees are to be commended. The trainer who inspires, guides, and helps their trainees can have a lasting influence on students throughout their lives. Trainers are agents of transformation and are viewed as beacons of hope by the trainees in their care. Trainers know their trainees well, including their diverse backgrounds. They know how the experiences that trainees bring to their classroom can affect their continued learning. Trainers know how to structure their training sessions to be able to meet the physical, social, and intellectual development and characteristics of their trainees. The next aspect of importance of professionalism in TVET is that conflict is minimized. In a professional work environment, employees will be less likely to resort to conflict to solve an issue. Professionalism fosters a respectful culture which should see conflicts being handled in the correct way. Professional employees tend to understand boundaries more clearly and solve any minor issues in a warm and friendly approach. Professional behavior also helps staff avoid offending clients when they have different perspectives, as well as offending those from different cultures and backgrounds. Another aspect of importance of professionalism in TVET, it is the area of honesty and integrity. All trainers should be aware that they are almost always being watched by their trainees and other community members. As a role model and authority figure for trainees, how the trainers carry themselves matters. Actions are always scrutinized. Therefore, trainers are expected to be honest and act within integrity. This kind of approach will help maintain physical and emotional safety, which is a critical responsibility of a trainer. Another importance of professionalism in TVET is that it helps to build positive relationships. Building and maintaining respectful and positive relationships with the key stakeholders are main components of professionalism. This includes relationship with trainees, their parents, other trainers, administrators, and support personnel. Just like everything else, relationships should be based on honesty and integrity. Failing to make deep personal connections can create a disconnect that might impact the overall effectiveness of the training institution. Finally, professionalism has an impact on training. Dedication, integrity, and responsibility are elements of professionalism that make trainers successful in their field. By taking ownership of their roles and duties, professional trainers make names for themselves and usually find opportunities coming easily to them. And so, increased professionalism among trainers will also positively impact the training institution, either directly or indirectly. Ultimately, professionalism in TVET also adds value to the TVET sector in general. We have been looking at the various importance of professionalism in TVET, and we have been able to see that professionalism in TVET makes better learning outcomes for trainees. It helps in molding productive citizens. It is one that is responsive to training needs. It also minimizes conflicts, contributes to honesty and integrity. It can also have positive and negative adverse relationship, and it can also contribute to either positive or negative impact on training. And so I would like you to take a reflection on these aspects, and it is my hope that we are going to display professional attitudes and ethics as TVET trainers in the areas and while relating with the trainees that we work. Thank you very much.